Hi everyone, this is Lynn Wilson at Lynn Wilson Originals here in Mills River, North Carolina. And today I'm going to be doing some stenciling, one of Dixie Belle's new silkscreen stencils. And I'm going to be using the new mousse. This is mousse in gemstone mousse in golden gem. Boy, I'm just not speaking well today. So anyway, let me pull this down. This piece has been painted. I did a blended finish with the darkest color being antebellum blue, blended in with stormy seas, and then a touch of driftwood towards the center. So my hardware is kind of Asian inspired, and I just spray painted this gold with Rust-Oleum gold spray paint. So because of that, I thought some of these botanicals would look nice with the Asian motif. I really like using the mousse with these stencils. I've tried Gold Digger, which is Dixie Belle's gold paint, and also their gilding wax. And I've found that with these type of stencils, because the openings are so fine, that either paint or mousse works the best. So I'm going to position my handle to where it's going to be, and my goal in putting these botanicals on is to create balance without being symmetric. So the first thing I saw was having this piece kind of popping up out of my handle. So with the mousse, you want to shake it before you use it, and you can apply with a brush or your finger. And I'm going to opt for my finger. And it's slightly adhesive, so you just press it in, press it down. And then you can kind of see the paint going through the mesh to see where you need to add more. And it's important to wash these off right away because the openings are so fine. You don't want your paint to dry in that mesh, because then you won't be able to use your stencil again. And the package says you can get about 10 uses out of each stencil, but I can't see why, if you take care of it, you couldn't get more. In these stencils, you get 3 pages to a pack, and this is botanicals. They also have one called patterns, a nautical looking one. The floral is just gorgeous, and also some more boho looking, like mandalas. So hopefully this is going to, I might have gone too heavy on the mousse, but let's take a look. No, I like it. When you use the Gold Digger paint over a large surface, you really want to have a base coat down, or you'll spend forever trying to get a solid gold. So a lot of times I'll use Colonel Mustard, but it makes it a 2-step process. Look how pretty and how defined that is. Hopefully you can see that. It's just so crisp. Now I did get some gold as I moved my stencil, so that's something I think I got to be careful of. When you put your stencil back over something that's already been stenciled, you can smudge it. This one is kind of rounded, so I think that will frame the handle well. So I'm starting to get a lot of the gold. As I move my stencil, I'm getting gold on my furniture. So what I'm going to do now is go and rinse this off and let it dry and then add some more. So I'm not going to be smudging my paint with gold. If you have any questions, please let me know. And I've put my affiliate link into the description of this video. And if you're not close to a local retailer, you can always order from that link and it will be delivered to your door. And if you're not already following me on Facebook, I would love it. Lynn Wilson Originals. Thanks a lot and hope you guys have a great day. Bye-bye.